7 Unexpected health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white, powdered chemical that is mostly used in baking. If you're a middle school kid, you might recognize baking soda as the substance you mix with vinegar to make an erupting science fair volcano. But what if we told you that, aside from these 2 more well-known applications, baking soda may also be utilized to meet a range of other needs? Baking soda, it turns out, has a variety of possible uses beyond from baking and making semi-realistic volcanic eruptions. Here are a few examples of how you can utilize baking soda in your daily life to improve your health. Before we go, you should subscribe to healthybestie and turn on the notification bell to remain up to date on our daily videos and material. To treat heartburn, use baking soda. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a painful disease in which a burning feeling rises from your stomach and possibly as far as your esophagus. As the name implies, acid reflux is caused by acid refluxing from your stomach into your esophagus. It can be provoked by a number of things, including stress, overeating, and eating specific foods that your body may not agree with. While this can be an unpleasant and uncomfortable sensation for many who suffer from acid reflux on a regular basis, the good news is that you may be able to alleviate the symptoms of heartburn with something as easy as baking soda. When you feel a burning sensation in your chest or throat, try putting a teaspoon of baking powder in a glass of cool water and slowly swallowing it. The baking soda will act as a neutralizing agent against your stomach acid, alleviating you of the burning sensation and symptoms of heartburn. 2. Oral hygiene with baking soda. Do you dislike the stinging sensation that mouthwash can occasionally cause? Instead, why not rinse your mouth with baking soda? Simply combine a teaspoon of baking soda with warm water and swish as usual. Baking soda, due to its granular texture, is good for reaching the nooks and crannies in and between your teeth that you may have missed while brushing or flossing. Baking soda also has antibacterial and antimicrobial qualities that can help eradicate bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath, and its moderately abrasive properties can help remove plaque and whiten your teeth. Furthermore, cleaning your mouth with baking soda may help decrease pain from canker sores, according to a few studies. 3. Soothe your skin with baking soda. Nothing beats a peaceful trek through nature in the summertime until you arrive home and realize you're covered in itchy mosquito bites. To alleviate itching caused by bug bites, bee stings, and other sources, immerse the affected region in water mixed with a few cups of baking soda. Baking soda may also help to ease the itching and pain caused by sunburns, especially when coupled with additional components like cornstarch and oatmeal. A mixture of water and baking soda may also assist to ease the pain and discomfort caused by calluses. Soaking a callus in water combined with baking soda, according to some research, softens the hard, scaly portion of the callus, making it less painful and letting it to heal faster. 4. Exercise more effectively with baking soda. Physical activity is one of the most important strategies to keep your body's various systems working as efficiently as possible when it comes to keeping healthy. People who are committed to improving their workout outcomes frequently go above and beyond by purchasing supplements, protein powders, and other tools to help them achieve their goals faster. However, what if we told you that a valuable workout supplement may already be in your kitchen? Baking soda, as you may have guessed, may also help you perform better when exercising, to the point that many athletes and gym goers utilize it as a natural supplement. Sodium bicarbonate has been shown in studies to be highly effective at extending peak performance during exercise, particularly in high-intensity anaerobic exercises. This is due to the high pH level of baking soda, which cancels out your body's lactic acid, which is created by your muscles during exercise and causes you to feel weary and sore. By maintaining your body's pH, you may work out for extended periods of time without becoming exhausted, allowing you to make the most of your valuable gym time. The advantages don't end there. After your workout, pat down your armpits with little extra baking soda to serve as a natural deodorant. 5. Baking soda can help your kidneys. Baking soda, according to some research, may be able to enhance your health by reducing the advancement of chronic renal disease, a severe ailment that, as the name implies, targets your kidneys and causes them to gradually lose function over time. Because your kidneys filter your blood and keep it clear of waste, it is critical to keep your kidneys healthy in order to keep the rest of your body working smoothly. Adults with chronic renal disease were shown to have a 36% decreased chance of kidney failure when taking a baking soda-based supplement on a regular basis, according to one study. 6. Relieve arthritis pain with baking soda. According to current research, baking soda may be beneficial in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, is an autoimmune disease that attacks your body's joints, causing joint pain, swelling, stiffness, and, in severe cases, the loss of a joint's capacity to function entirely. Drinking water mixed with baking soda may help your rheumatoid arthritis by reducing joint inflammation by stimulating your body's anti-inflammatory response while reducing the impacts of its autoimmune response, according to a study published in the Journal of Immunology in April 2018. 7. Baking soda can help you fight cancer. Baking soda may be able to help patients who are presently undergoing treatment for some types of cancer, in addition to all of the other health benefits described above. According to research, baking soda may be able to benefit a cancer patient's chemotherapy treatment by making the environment for tumors less acidic, allowing chemotherapy medicines to more effectively slow the growth of cancer cells. However, this research is still in its early stages, and testing was mostly done on animals and cells. As a result, more human-based research will be needed before the true effectiveness of this hypothesis can be confirmed. That's all there is to it. While you may only know baking soda as the stuff in the back of your cupboard, it turns out that this innocuous white powder has a variety of uses and may even be able to improve your health in a variety of ways. From painful arthritis to body odor, it appears that sodium bicarbonate can do no wrong. Was this video interesting or informative to you? Do you have any other baking soda applications you'd like to share with the world? We always appreciate feedback from our viewers. So make your voice heard by scrolling down and leaving a comment below to help us continue the conversation.